guys, it's Miana.
And I'm Diana. Today we're showing you how to make a fake bruise. So I'm gonna do the fake bruise like right here. So yeah.
And we're gonna be, if you guys wanna do this, you can get this makeup palette at Five Below for $5. And this one also at Five Below for $5.
I'm just neutral colors.
To buy like, you know.
And then this one has more
Variety
of colors. These are both hers because I don't use makeup. And then we have a few makeup
As you
brushes.
can tell, I'm using this palette right now that I have on right now.
Then I have a pen, another pen. Oh, one more thing. We are recording on an iMac, and I know the quality is not the best. So,
But it's good for editing.
yeah. So I'm gonna record on my iPhone too, so you guys can see like the progress. So yeah. Hello guys, this is a day later. Thank you guys for watching this video. I know it's really random, but I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!